Buck happens to be the third single from Jackson Wang's new album, which is Magic Man 2. And we all know that Diljit is really putting India on the map, where he has performed at Coachella. He also had the debut at Met Gala, and he was trying to speak English with Shakira using ChatGPT. But like I said, this man solely and single-handedly is putting India on the global pedestal as well. And Jackson Wang, as we all know, is a member of the band GOT7. But now he's coming up with his new album, which is Magic Man 2, where he's talking about his inner growth and journey as an artist as well. And with that, let's get started with the music video breakdown of the song Buck. Okay, so we have the music video starting with a dead squid on the table, and Jackson Wang enters and starts killing it even further. Then we also have a hot pot that spills over, and it immediately takes me back to the time in the music video of G-Bad, where we have a squid having an appearance as well. Then Jackson starts singing the lyric lines, "Do you wanna dance?" And it's almost as if he is challenging his enemy to come on screen and fight him. Now, for those who don't know, Jackson has already released an album in 2022, which was Magic Man, and he literally wanted to get away with his whole K-pop band boy image, which is why he has mentioned that how this album is all about his inner growth as an artist. There are a lot of dark sides to him in the album as well, and it's very much seen in the songs such as Blow, and he has drawn inspiration from the characters of Black Swan and Joker. And in Magic Man 2, he is reprising the role of the Madman as well. Now, moving to the second part of the music video, I have to talk about the dance choreography, because I watched the entire music video 3 times. The first time it was just for the raw emotions, the second time to derive meaning from each scene, and the third time just to focus on the dance moves. And to be honest, Jackson Wang is the world's best dancer in my opinion. And there is this one particular scene in the music video where Jackson is in water, but he's covered with black paint, and thanks to the million MasterChef episodes that I have seen, I immediately related to the fact that squid ink is also black in color. Another fact in the music video is that Jackson is in water, but there is a scene where his only eyes are seen halfway through, and it sort of resembles a crocodile who is waiting to catch on its prey when it's very vulnerable. Now, the next part of the music video is where Diljit enters, and I might get a lot of shade for saying this, but to be honest, I really did not like Diljit's part in the music video at all. Yes, he is singing in Punjabi, and I tried to derive the meaning out of it, and somehow it meant that he is a man from the Jat clan and he is making it big in the world. And also there is a woman who is of an equal stature and is trying to party with him the whole night. Now, I don't know how it fits in the context of the song, but if Mr. Wang is cool with it, I think we are cool with too. Now, there is this one scene in the music video where both of them are seen chilling, and all of a sudden the camera shot pans dead into their faces and they get serious. That is the same exact expression that me and my sister used to have when my mom used to catch us eating ice cream at 2 a.m. in the morning. Then the last part of the music video is very confusing, but I try to make sense out of it, because we have Jackson who is trying to eat the dead squid and he looks like a monster, and also he's eating hot pot, which is one of his most favorite meals. Now, it immediately takes me back to the time where you become a monster in order to kill a monster. Now, there is a quote that appears at the end of the music video which states, "I dreamed of going all the way to hell to deal with you." And there is so much of love and hate involved in this statement. One good side of the statement is that, like, he was talking about a love that was so beautiful and he would go all the way to hell to stop all the bad things happening to that person. On the other hand, the negative connotation could mean that the love was so bad and toxic that even when the person was at its worst, Jackson would go all the way to hell to find this person and do even more bad. Now, there are a few other comments in the music video that I want to read out for you, because all the fans are praising this collaboration. The first comment reads, "Jackson Wang single-handedly bringing India and China together. This is the Indo-Chinese flavor I like." And the second comment reads, "Jackson needs to win an award for best videography. Every music video is a cinematic experience," and I also agree to that. Now, in my taste profile, I feel this music video is a perfect Indo-Korean fusion hot pot, because it's flavorful, it's bold, and also Diljit Dosanjh adds his masala. Now, if you like this music video, there are other Jackson Wang music recommendations that I have for you. Number 1 would be Blow, number 2 would be Blue, and number 3 would be Come Alive. If you like this music video, let me know in the comment section which part did you exactly like, and please make sure to like and share it with your friends. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
94.3 Radio 1.